Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see photo you likes in Lightroom on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course just have to open your Lightroom applications, and now in this page go ahead to this profiles at the top right. Just go ahead, this is my account here guys. If you want to see what that you have liked before on this Lightroom, just slide it to the right like this and we'll find out here the likes options. Just go ahead and it will be serve the photos or the posts that you have liked before here guys. This is the posts or the photos that I have liked. So you can like any post or photo if you wanna copy or if you wanna see the edit reference. So you can save it by like the post. And yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.